Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard 4-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG, and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, sliding rear window, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, fog lamps, 4-wheel disc brakes, satellite radio. Your new ride is just a phone call away.